Hi friends, this is Sadiq Ali. Today I am going to demonstrate out-of-box content Decoy API using the PingIdentity. As in my previous video, I explained about blocking scenarios, how to block stolen token, cookies, API keys, or IP, or any specific IP you can block uh, to restrict the API access. But today I'm going to show you that out of box require that out of box is requires like that you have your URL over here, your API access URL or resource URL, but just hacker trying to attack on your URL using the root admin or login root resource location to find out to or do the malfunctioning in your resources to protect any kind of such kind of access API. I have created one design for one POC, but it's not like that the same procedure to follow. But it's just to clear you, give you clear, some idea that what you can do with the out of context require API with the ping INT in the ASE. Okay. You can see this is a trading JSON. Like, is that what I'm doing over here? Let me show you that here. Go config API. This is the you can see the PingIdentity component ASC I have deployed. Okay, let me go to the account. You can see from the account what I have done. I have created one URL which is going to notify that the user is trying to access this resource. So, if the hacker or any user is going to access this resource, that platform going to notify his IP and going to block that IP to access the any interface. The user can continue. User will be able to continue access the APIs, this account resources, but will not be able to access other APIs. Okay, go and show you that how it works. Um, So I can you can see here that configurations what I have done. Okay, the account and same I am calling the account from my mail application, my mail API. Just this is a POC, not a full concept. While calling it, I let me show you the API. While it's uploading, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, it's uploaded. Um, Uh, so you can see over here that I have designed in my API, but to protect any kind of access like account admin root or login, I am calling the API the account API configuration in the AC. You can see my IP and port I am already configured. So that the IP and port and I have configured. Based on that, I have configured the URL. I have configured the URL, the account. Let me go the account. So the idea is that to protect your API from the hackers or people trying to malfunction your application. So for that reason, the require its capability has been embedded in the big INT components. You can see that down. You can see the account. Okay. The same thing I'm doing that I this is my AC IP input and this is the account. Okay. Same I have deployed on my platform. Okay. You can see attach based API and the same API has been assigned policy. I hope you remember that in my last video, this policy I have built with the example shared by the Ping INT, and I have installed it on my endpoint platform in API Manager. and then I'm assigning it to the resources which I am required to validate their request or content to AC, that is the ping int component. Okay, the AC token is provided by the AC and a port and host, like that. Apart from that, apart from that, you can see that I'll show you that, but it's completely AI based platform. So the validations all will checked by the AI platform, and AI platform, once it found anything, any hack, any attack be happen, so it will add I'll summary over here. You can see the account. I have seen that there is a attack happening, and it's coming from the one IP. That's my specific IP I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm doing right. I'm sending multiple requests or like that create to create more attack. Okay? And based on that, the IP is blocked to access the my another IP. So it's just simple configurations that you can go to the account. You can see that's configuration have been done, and your resources in your application call resources in application should call this IP if account IP account resources from AC, and then the requests are going to be blacklisted in this platform, and the user will not able to access any other source or IP of the platform. This is a very good feature they have provided in the any ping identity. Apart from that, you can go and you can see that context require API. In context like that, it can we can directly block the admin, directly block the root. Whenever we are going to receive this kind of URL, we are going to block the user in the platform. And with the same, if we are going to use the URL, but in the case of out of context, in out of context we are not able to directly block the URL. Definitely we have to find out the place which as an addition which we need to validate from the request or IP to block the requester. We can identify that as an attacker. This is a just very simple out of context require. And apart from that, if I that let me uh, that API, you can see that the API, the flow control, definitely it can we can manage a spike or uh, threshold for the API, but the ping INT as well providing the capability that we can control our spike or the number of requests allowed on the resources. Both the both platform, the anypoint platform and PingInt, both while implementing the production or POC side, we will find that this is the more valuable and can help to protect the APIs. Okay? So this was especially for I built to share the findings what I have done in the PingInt. Definitely, more there are lots of things can be done. If you go, you can see that we can block the content which is more than 128 MB. Like if the payload is very huge, we can block the access. Definitely, we can do the same thing in the our API policy as well, but that capability also over provided. This is one of the very good tool, and definitely it's being very valuable to use with the Deploy platform, because it's already providing their custom policy that can be implemented on the any API, and based on the rules can be configured on the AC, and the API can be protected from the hacker or any malfunctioning approach from